Birthday list off with Quinlan Horn. Peace out, Quinlan. I'm with you. Big number 4 right there in Pittsburgh. Have a great day, Quinlan.
All right, Kaylin Dinteman celebrating birthday number 5 this year. What a cutie there. Kaylin is in Jasper, Missouri.
I had to laugh about this one, and I love our own Will York. He does a great job making sure we pronounce names right. I know Daisy Mack. Come on now. Daisy Mack turning a big number. That's where, you know, time's flying right there. Happy birthday, Miss Daisy. Have a wonderful, wonderful birthday, kiddo.
All right, in Pittsburgh, Alexia Davis is now 13 years old. Welcome to the teenage years,
Speaking of time
Alexia.
flying, man. No way. It's 13. Happy birthday, Alexia. Wow. Cooper Bauer. Hey, number 50. Oh, look at that. Hoist that thing up with the tournament. That's too cool, man. That's too cool. So evidently, I'm going to guess Cooper. Now, he goes to Parsons, right? He's celebrating his 15th birthday. I'm guessing he ran out to Altamont one time, played a little tournament action, and said, yeah, I'm just going to bring home this trophy right here. Nice job, Coop. Happy birthday, my man.
Looks like the Jarvis twins in Joplin are celebrating their 18th birthday.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
And what a throwback pic there. Jackson and Jaden Jarvis, 18 years old.
So I'm going to guess Mr. and Mrs. Jarvis had their hands full right there. They have had their hands full for 18 years with the look on those two faces. That is tremendous.
They need to do one of those pictures where they repeat the photo from their childhood days.
All right.
And they do a grown-up version of that.
Hey, Jackson and Jaden, Tanya just called you out. For your 19th birthday, we want you guys to remake that photo right there.
You know, they need the canteen, they need to have the military hats, everything, yeah.
That would be too cool. No, Tanya, that's a great idea. That would be too cool to see.
That's fun.
We'll juxtapose it. Debbie Red, I want you to have a marvelous, okay. Well, I mean, I can do Justin Schultz too. Can I take the next one too?
Sure.
Because I just jumped Justin. I feel bad now.
Poor Justin.
Justin, I want you to have a marvelous 41st birthday. It's probably because he's younger than me. I think it was just like, yeah, and better looking than me too. And so I was just like, you know, what am I gonna do? Justin, have a great 41st birthday. Justin is in Crestline. And Debbie Red, there's Miss Debbie. A happy 54th birthday to Miss Debbie. I'm trying to see what that is in the background. It almost looks like a band setup.
She's ready to party. She's ready to party.
I don't know. Happy birthday, Debbie.
All right, Jimmy Pingree is ready to celebrate his birthday. Oh, almost looks like he has the same setup in the background.
I would love to have a goatee like that.
Have a what?
Have a goatee like that.
Oh, yeah.
I would love to have that.
Well, quit shaving.
No. I mean the way that like it came in like that's pretty cool. I love that.
Jimmy Michael's a little envious of you.
I think that's really cool. All right, and I get a who that is. So that's Paula Donaldson right there. And that's our director, our wonderful director. That's our Dylan. That's his mom, Dylan. Is that you? Hold on. I'm people don't see this on air. Is that you in her arms? Wait. I gotta take a second here. You guys don't get to see Dylan, but he's the one that makes this show work. Are you kidding me?
What a cute little kid.
Miss Donaldson, I won't tell you this much. You have raised a marvelous young man that we are very, very fortunate to have. And you know what? If it weren't for you, Dylan wouldn't be the young man that he is today. And Dylan, make sure you call your mama today, okay? All right, my man. Happy birthday, Miss Paula. That's hilarious that that's Dylan right there. That's awesome. Well, I mean, look at him. That's good stuff.
It is. Happy birthday, Miss Donaldson.
All right, Michelle Hildebrand. Michelle celebrating a birthday in Chitopa. Richard Murphy a happy birthday in Girard. Helen Isa, now, oh, I forgot about this. Yeah, I knew this was coming up here. I was warned about this. Double trouble is what they call them. Helen and Ellen. Oh yes, they do. They do. They are both celebrating their 80th birthday. Now, Miss Helen is in Fredonia, and Miss Ellen, she is in Yates Center. And over the weekend, because I happen to have some boots on the ground in Fredonia, I heard there was a nice little get together and party for Helen and Ellen, who are both twins. So happy birthday, although it be belated. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.